Good morning, lords and ladies of Utopia. Welcome to another thrill-limited, action-packed, exceptionally moist episode of Puppy Training 101, where I do a terrible job of it. Alright, well this is crazy. Happy has a cat in her sights and is attempting to pull the motorcycle off the thing. Anyway, welcome to day 2 for one of those round numbers. My wife made me a cool cowl for Halloween. So if you look over here, you can see my work from yesterday. Exceptionally wrinkly seat cover. I gotta take the staples off or out and do that again. So that's great. It's about 33 degrees out here right now, southern Utah, and we're gonna get back on the project here. Yeah, got a few more parts to order. Need an entire drive train chain sprockets. Need a kickstand. So that's what we're gonna do. Day 4. I'm gonna hit that seat again. I need to get some more parts on the way. And we're gonna put the hand guards on and the new levers. I do have a new choke coming because this one, the detent, doesn't work anymore. It's just worn. That happens. And so we'll get that fixed and get the bike started. It makes me a little nervous that I haven't been able to start it yet. So whatever. All right, let's get going. All right, so this time I'm gonna make it much tighter initially, which makes it really a challenge when you go to put on the sides of the seat cover. But unless you really want wrinkles in your saddle, I don't. That's what you gotta do. So, and, you know, each manufacturer is a little bit different, but the basic concept is the same. I've also found that not all staple guns are created equal. This is the Power Shot by somebody. Came from Home Depot like everything else in the world. But yeah, this one actually works really well. There are staple guns out there that aren't strong enough. I've got 2 of them sitting in the garage until I found this one. And also I'm using 3/8 inch staples, which are a little bit longer than what they specify, but I also don't have problems with my staples pulling out later on in life or later down the road. So it works out well for me. Yeah. So one of the key things when you're putting a seat cover on is I actually go symmetrically. So in other words, I'll do this bit of section, then I'll come over here, and then I go over here, and then over here. And each side you got to pull as tight as possible. Sometimes these wrinkles will come out over the course of time, but not generally. It's really a difficult thing to, as you can see, I've got the seams pulled all the way across the bottom of the seat here, and it's still, you know, got a few wrinkles up there, but that'll be okay. It's not nearly as bad as it was, but looking pretty good so far. Look forward to getting it all put together. All right, we're coming to the end of our journey here with the seat covering, saddle cover. So as you get towards the end, it is really key to go ahead and pull as hard as you can on both sides and kind of simultaneously pull towards the back of the saddle. That way it hopefully will bring as much of the wrinkles that you've got left and kind of pull them out and flatten this out. It's already looking pretty good. Pretty happy about that. Not a whole lot I can do about this right here. Luckily, when the saddle's on the bike, it actually straightens out a little bit. So that's good. All right. Pretty stoked on this. All right, lords and ladies. So Got a new seat cover on there. Got some wrinkles there. These may or may not ever come out, but it's as tight as I can get it. You know, professional seat coverist, I am not, as we can see. Nonetheless, it should last quite a few years. Attack Graphics or Rocky Mountain ATVMC actually makes a great product. It's got some reinforcements there and went on really nice. Didn't take too long. Took maybe about an hour or so. Once I got it going right. And pretty happy with it. All right, so let's continue on with the project, shall we?